Hi guys, welcome back to the Essex Fashion House channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to do a little review and show you all the beautiful details of this gorgeous chalk page from Coach. This one is a beautiful embellished edition. I'm going to show you all the details up close. And if you want to make this bag yours, it is for sale. You can find the link for it in the description of this video. Now let me show you this bag. Right guys, so first of all, the color of this beautiful bag is of course chalk. This is the white color that Coach uses, and as you will notice, it's not like a bright white. It's kind of like a little bit of like an off-white, or maybe even like a cream white, which I think looks beautiful. And this is just such a beautiful page. I've never seen one like this before. I'm not sure if it's a limited edition or anything like that, but it's just a beautiful edition with so many amazing details on it. So first of all, of course, you've got the turn lock here at the front. It's got silver tone hardware that is all shiny and looks really, really pretty. The turn lock opens and this little flap comes up, and then the bag opens like this at the top. So it's quite an interesting opening. Instead of just having a flap, you've got these two coming over and then the strap on top as well. And of course, here on the front, you've got these beautiful Western rivet details. You've got this lovely kind of like cracked turquoise in some of them, and you've got white ones in other ones, and you've got the silver rivets all the way down the edges. You even have these patches of snakeskin in a beautiful pattern with little rivets on them as well. And I really love these little kind of like prairie rivet looking things they've got around some of these. The detailing is just amazing. As you can see, it's got the rivets on the back as well, and then you've got the little Coach logo on the back. And then even on the sides, you have these little rivets here. It's just so well thought through, the whole design of this bag. Every side of it has something really beautiful. Even something as simple as in here, you'll see it has snakeskin as well. It's only just noticeable, like a hint of it, which I think is so beautiful. That is very, very subtle, but they still thought to put it in there. They could have gone easy and said, no, we're not going to add snakeskin in there because you can barely see it. But it just has such a big impact on the look of the bag, if you ask me. And of course, on the side, you've got the Coach hang tag, which is chalk, and on the back of it, it is snakeskin as well. That's another thing I love with Coach, is when they make sure to match the back of the hang tag to some of the detailing on the bag. And again, just such lovely details. And over here, you've got the little rivet as well. So beautiful. So the whole thing is smooth leather, the bottom included. The glazing here on the edges is a beautiful dark contrasting, like almost black. I'm not sure if it's actually like a dark oxblood, because it looks almost black. If we look on the inside, you will see that it has this beautiful oxblood leather here under these flaps, and it'll have pockets here and here, so you can organize your stuff nicely. The inside lining is the Oxblood canvas with the Coach logo on it, and it has a little open pocket in here, a little slip pocket, and then it has a zipped pocket over here, and of course it has the Creed patch in here as well. This bag is from 2016, so you won't see this in the store anymore. The only way to get these is basically just to buy them secondhand. This one is in exceptionally good condition. It does have just the slightest discoloration here and a few places on the leather, which does happen with light colored leather, of course, but other than that, it is in beautiful condition, and the wear is like so faint, like you barely notice it. And another thing that's great about this bag is that you can carry it multiple ways. So it comes with a long strap, so you can carry it as a crossbody bag. This is of course just a chalk strap with the matching hardware and everything. And then you can also carry it as a handbag with the short strap here. So this is attached to the side. I think it's such a lovely size handle where you can carry it as a little handbag, and it just looks super cute with this on it. But what I also love is that you can actually take it off, so you can decide whether you want it to be a handbag or if you want to carry it as a crossbody bag, and you won't have to worry about the strap getting in your way. Altogether, this is just a very well thought through design in my opinion. And this one comes with the original dust bag for it as well. So this is just a satin Coach dust bag. And if you want to get into some of the real little details of this, you'll see that it has Coach on the turn lock up here. You will see it on the hardware of the hang tag here as well. Of course, you've got the logo here on the back, which is Coach New York with the little horse and carrot. And of course, the strap hardware will have Coach on them as well. And that is the whole bag, you guys. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget you can find the link for this bag in the description of this video. See you in the next one.